Today I'll give you another worksheet solution of page 73 and 75. Simplify and convert it as mixed number if possible. So how can we convert? I'm just giving you a very short way. Suppose if we add 3 plus 2, that will be 5. That means in a mixed number, we have two things. First one is whole number, another one is fraction. So if we add the whole number, we get 3 plus 2, that is. What about the fraction? If we add the fraction, we get 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Look, here we can multiply this fraction by 2. Why will we multiply? To make both of them as a like fraction, we have to multiply. So 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 multiplied by 2. So if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, then it will be a like fraction. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. Plus 1 by 6. So both denominator is same. So we have to just add the numerator. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 5 by 6. So first answer should be 5 whole 5 by 6. So this is the first answer of number 1A. And we can solve it another way by converting this one as improper fraction. At first we have to convert this mixed into improper. How? Look, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 plus 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. Now convert this fraction as like fraction. How? By multiplying this fraction by 2. 11 to the 22. 3 to the 6 plus 13 divided by 6. So if both denominator are same, so we can say we have to just add the numerator. 22 plus 13. 22 plus 13, that will be 35. 35 by 6. Now divide this 35 by 6, you will get 6 5s are 30, remainder 5. So our final answer should be 5 whole 5 by 6. Okay, very simple. Now number B. Number B says 1 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole 1 by 3. So how can we complete this one? At first we have to add it. 1 plus 2, that will be 3. Then we have to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So we have to make them as like fraction. So how can we make them? Look, LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So we have to multiply this fraction by 3 and this fraction by 2. So 1 multiplied by 3, 3, 3 to the 6. 1 by 3 multiplied by 2. 1 multiplied by 2, 2, 3 to the 6. So both fraction are like fraction right now. So 6 is the denominator. We have to add the numerator, 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5, 5 by 6. So our final answer should be 3 whole 5 by 6. So that is the one way to solve it. Now I will show you another way to solve this problem. And that is, just converting this mixed into improper. 2 1 are 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now look at this. Both denominator is different. So we have to make them as same denominator. So how can we make them? Look, that is very simple. Just we have to multiply this fraction by 2 and 3. So listen, we multiply this fraction by 3. So 2 3 is the 6 and that one by 2, 3 to the 6. Okay. If we multiply the denominator by 3, then we have to multiply the numerator by 3. Denominator by 2, numerator by 2. Simple. So 3 3 is a 9, 2 3 is a 6 plus 7 to the 14, 3 to the 6. So both denominator is same. So we have to add the numerator, 9 plus 14. So 9 plus 14, that will be 23. 23 by 6. Now convert this 23 by 6 as mixed fraction. So we can say 6 3 is the 18, remainder is 5. So our final answer should be 3 whole 5 by 6. Now next problem. 5 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 whole 1 by 4. Okay, that is very simple. Just subtract the whole number. 5 minus 3, that will be 2. Then 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So fractions are like fractions. So just subtract the numerator. 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? That will be 2. 2 by 4. Now you can convert into lowest term. How? By dividing by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 is a 4. So our final answer should be 2 whole 1 by 2. Simple. Now number D. 7 minus 3, that will be 4. Why? Because we have to subtract the whole number. Then we have to subtract the fraction. 5 by 7 minus 3 by 14. Look, we can multiply this fraction by 2. then this denominator will be 14. So 5 to the 10, 7 to the 14, minus 3 by 14. So look at this, both denominator is same. So we have to subtract the numerator. 10 minus 3, that will be 7. 10 minus 3, that will be 7. 7 by 14. Now, after dividing both on by 7, you will get 1 by 2. Then what will be our final answer? 4 whole 1 by 2. And in this way, we can easily solve this question.